Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So today I'm making a corn and bean salad. So first, I want to give a shout out to my friend's mom, Jen, for giving me this awesome recipe. So first, we are going to put in a can of organic black beans. And now we have a half a teaspoon of salt, pepper, cumin, chili powder, and sugar. And now we are going to mix this up. And what a coincidence. This is my favorite salad for barbecue, and I'm going to a barbecue today. And I'm going to bring this, and I hope they love it. And now you're going to put a can of organic corn in. And now we're putting 1/4 of a cup of balsamic. And 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And now let's mix it up. And this is great to have on a holiday or just a regular day, just for a little salad, because it is great. It is very tasty. And I just want to mix this up so everything marinates and so everything tastes good. And now I have some cilantro from my garden, my herb garden. And you finally dice this up and you put this on for a little garnish. And let's stir this up. And this looks amazing. This is so full of color and it's so enjoyable. And you have to make sure that you chill it for a few hours because it has to marinate through all this great flavors, and it's better to be served chilled. So remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos, and I'll link the ingredients down below. See you guys. Bye.